What up, FnAers?
What up, what up?
We got another egg clutch.
Oh, man.
So this is number 7 on the year. So the pairing was our boy Edgar.
He's an Enchi Desert Ghost. Two.
Our girl Sandy, who is just a single gin champagne.
Yep, and she's coming all the way out.
I don't know if anyone's seen Champagne Desert Ghost stuff, but it definitely helps that champagne project, I think. Boy, those look like some decent
eggs.
Yeah, decent size eggs.
Ooh, she's
It's been a while since I had one snap at me. It's okay, mamas. It's okay.
Looking like she's empty?
Yep.
Yes, sir. That definitely looks
Oh, she's
concave.
hissing.
And she's not happy. Luckily, for right now, until this other girl comes out of quarantine next week, we have a spare.
Yeah, right. Well, and we'll have a bunch of spares too. I don't know if anyone saw the
Rack
new rack
system.
Man, those are some big eggs.
Those are biggins.
Man.
Those some biggins.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lucky
All right.
number. I believe she, if I remember right, Daniel, the guy that we got her from, said he got 6 from her last year.
Gotcha.
So 1 up from last year apparently. And no slugs.
Woohoo!
That's always nice.
Yes, yes.
This part's always the fun part.
Oh, yeah.
That helped. So how's everyone else's breeding season going?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know what the coolest thing you've hatched out this year is so far.
Yeah, we might want something from you.
Yeah, you never know. We might be able to make a trade or something.
Right?
We've hatched some cool stuff out so far, and we definitely got some cool stuff coming up.
Right?
One more. I've had
there
a
this
lot of
time.
surface area. What's that?
I said I'll get up in there this time so we can see what you're doing.
Right? It like totally looks like spider webbing.
Yeah.
Whoop. All right. Use a candle. Having a hard time seeing here.
Here, let me go kill.
Thing. Yeah, I was just saying we could kill this ladder. Oh yeah.
Oh, right there.
Yep.
You see it jiggling.
Yep, I see it. There it is.
Yep. That's crazy. I was actually able to see it through the camera easy.
You saw, yeah, you even saw it before me.
Right.
Yeah, usually it's hard to see that through the camera. That's
yeah,
cool.
Exactly.
There's one good egg. Oh wait, I can't do your thing. That's
You're
your
not
thing.
Count Egula.
You gotta do it. And looks like that one right there. These are nice and big.
Right.
Yeah,
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, that one was right there.
Right?
That same thing.
We got to make sure he puts them in the right places, huh, people?
Yeah, because where I put them now might change whenever we're picking them later for the game, you know.
Right?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I was going to say, you can see where the veins are starting to come together.
All right.
Woohoo!
7 good eggs.
All right.
On, everyone. We will keep you tuned in when these hatch out in about 55 days.
Yes, yes.
Subscribe. Almost to 500.
Yes. Big
Peace,
contest.
everyone.
Peace.